Have you ever wondered how dry food can contribute to your health? A question that might have crossed your mind as you stroll through the grocery store, looking at shelves lined with dried fruits, nuts, and grains. Dry foods, despite what some may think, hold a significant place in our diet. They are often packed with essential nutrients and can be a convenient and long-lasting source of nourishment. Take dried fruits, for instance. They're typically high in fiber, potassium, and various health-promoting antioxidants. Similarly, dry grains like oats and quinoa provide a good amount of protein and are rich in many vitamins and minerals. Despite their benefits, there are common misconceptions around dry foods, such as them being overly processed or less nutritious than their fresh counterparts. But that's not always the case. It's all about understanding their nutritional value and incorporating them wisely into a balanced diet. Now that we've understood why dry foods are essential, let's delve into some of the best dry foods for your health. Scene script. Let's start with the first half of our list of the best dry foods for your health. First up, we have oats, a staple in many households and for a good reason. Oats are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain a unique type of fiber known as beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol levels, promotes heart health, and enhances feelings of fullness. Oats are also a fantastic source of energy, providing slow-release carbohydrates that keep you fueled throughout the day. Next on our list are lentils, tiny but mighty members of the legume family. Lentils are brimming with protein, making them an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. They also provide a wealth of essential nutrients, including iron, folate, and manganese. Plus, their high fiber content helps support healthy digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied. Lentils are a versatile food that can be added to soups, salads, and stews for a nutritional boost. Now let's not forget about dried fruits. While fresh fruits are wonderful, dried versions carry their own set of benefits. Dried fruits like apricots, dates, and raisins are compact nutritional powerhouses. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, and they provide a quick and easy source of energy, especially for those busy days on the go. However, remember to enjoy dried fruits in moderation due to their high sugar content. Lastly, for this half of the list, we have almonds. Almonds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They're also packed with antioxidants, which can protect your cells from harmful free radicals. Almonds are known to support heart health, aid in weight management, and even help control blood sugar levels. These foods are not just tasty, but they're packed with nutrients that your body needs. But wait, we're not done yet. There's more to explore. Continuing our journey through the best dry foods for your health, let's delve into some more nutrient-dense options, starting with quinoa. Quinoa is a splendid grain that's packed with protein, fiber, and various essential minerals. It's versatile and easy to incorporate into any meal, providing a solid base for a healthy diet. Next on our list are almonds. Don't be fooled by their small size. Almonds are a powerhouse of nutrients. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy, and they're also an excellent source of vitamin E and antioxidants. Eating almonds can help keep your heart robust and your skin glowing. Last but not least, we have dried seaweed. This humble sea vegetable is a hidden gem in the world of dry foods. It's a fantastic source of iodine, which is crucial for thyroid health. Plus, it's rich in fiber and contains a unique compound called fucoidan that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. These are just a few examples of the diverse array of dry foods that can contribute to your well-being. Each one brings its own unique set of benefits to the table, from heart health to glowing skin to thyroid support. The beauty of these foods is that they are not only nutritious, but they're also delicious and versatile, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily meals. By incorporating these dry foods into your diet, you are taking a step towards a healthier lifestyle. To sum up, dry foods are not just convenient, but they are also a great source of nutrition. Throughout this discussion, we've highlighted the best dry foods for health, from nutrient-packed grains to protein-rich legumes. By integrating these into your diet, you can reap the benefits of their nutritional bounty. They're more than just pantry staples. They're powerhouse foods that can contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, your health is your wealth. Choose wisely, eat healthily, and stay fit.